Am I audible if I speak from here? Or shall I be moving forward with the increasing voice? Because over a period of time, you're not going to listen to me, but you're going to listen to my voices. And doesn't matter how much effort I give, although it's been just what 20 days so far, and I have seen progress. It's not that I have not seen much of the progress, but at some point of time, I feel like, what am I doing? Because still most of the time I feel like I'm lagging enough, I'm stammering, and although instances are very low, the frequency has reduced a lot. But still, when I started training, I was looking forward that I would be becoming errorless, an errorless individual, and I would be communicating very effectively in just 1 month. But approximately 1 month has already been passed, and still I'm not up to that pedestal where I can clearly say that what. So I guess it's going to take me another 1 month, and I'm not even sure that it's going to take 1 month or more than 1 month. But still I'm going to practice, because I have already picked up many skills in the past, and after doing it, just by the way, this is the skill, the only skill which I have been continuing for the longest period of time till my life. Yes, yes, this is the truth. Because back then I have picked up a lot number of skills, be it, I don't even remember the names. So be it anything. And before this, the longest period for which I have continued a skill was only 7 days. How foolishness of me. I thought that with just 7 days of practice, I'm going to master it. Bro, in 7 days, you just get acclimatized to that practice sessions. And only after 10 days, you can start noticing slightly improvement. I'm not saying very much improvement. That improvement won't be even visible to you. Slight improvement means like 0.1% improvement. And so after 10 days, 0.1% improvement. And then you are saying like after a period of 20 days, you're going to see 70% improvement. Not not possible. So right now where I'm standing, I can easily say that I have just improved, I guess what, 10%? And still there's a very, very long way for me to go, because by the way, the articles that I have been listening to, or the articles that I've been using to practice, in all those articles, it has been clearly said that the peoples who are great orators, great speakers, who speak to leave an impact on the audience, they have been doing it for years, and still they are practicing, although they have mastered it, but still they are practicing. And you, just 1 month has passed and you are thinking that you will be becoming a master in just 1 month. Bro, that's not possible. Okay, so be practical, and don't be afraid to put in the effort, because no one else is going to do it for you, and no one else is doing it. Even you are the one doing it. So be proud of yourself. You are doing something different, you're doing something additional which nobody is doing. And whatever the hard work you are putting in, you will surely be getting results. So stay consistent. But yes, there is a major difference between consistency and frequency. Consistency is not about you are just recording all these things and putting up on the YouTube. It's also about that with every single passing day, you are improving yourself. Yes. See, what you used to think of the definition of consistency is what is termed as frequency. Well, you can simply post videos every single day by recording and without showing any improvement day by day, and you can have what, 30 videos a month, and still your all those 30 videos will sound same, and that is what we call as frequency. So forget that thing. You have to be consistent, which means you have to post regularly, you have to record videos regularly, but with each video you have to show improvement. It can be 0.1% improvement, it can be 1% improvement, but there has to be a improvement. Take a note of that, and I will see you tomorrow.